Welcome back, Mrs. Johnston. Today we are going to review punctuation marks. We have learned three punctuation marks. Let's look at the phrases that I have on my board and let's talk about and discuss the punctuation marks at the end. So let's look at number one. Dan ran fast. It has a period at the end of the sentence. That punctuation mark is a period, which means stop. Number two, did Sam bring the book? This punctuation mark is called a question mark. A question mark at the end of a sentence wants you to answer it. It's looking for an answer. So the answer might be yes, or maybe it is no. Number three, help! This punctuation mark is called an exclamation point. An exclamation point means that you read that sentence with excitement or inflection in the tone of your voice. You change it. So, we are going to next just review very quickly our punctuation marks. Period. It means stop. Question mark. It wants an answer. And exclamation point. It means excited or changing the inflection in your voice. So for our next review, I am going to erase our sentence and phrases, and we are just going to review how to practice writing those three punctuation marks. So I'm going to start by making my lines. And since we have three punctuation marks, there's going to be three lines. So the first mark that we are going to do is the period. We're going to do that on line one. I start at the bottom and it is just a dot. So if you have your dry erase board or maybe paper or pencil, I want you to write the dot, the period. The second mark is our question mark. That is going to start a little below the top line. You are going to make a candy cane, lift, and dot on the bottom, question mark. So it is a candy cane, lift, dot on the bottom, question mark. And our exclamation point is going to be a short line down, lift, dot at the bottom, exclamation point, short line down, lift, dot on the bottom. So let's just review what these are called. Period, question mark, exclamation point. This means stop, the sentence is done. Question mark means that the sentence wants an answer. It needs you to respond. An exclamation point means that you are going to say that phrase or sentence with excitement. You are changing the tone of your voice. Period, question mark, exclamation point. As we move into today's lesson, you are going to get a chance to practice more on writing those punctuation marks and figuring out which one is going to go at the end of a sentence.